What's up, everybody? I'm Nate Root from Tippmann Industrial, and today I'm going to show you how to put your material guide on your Tippmann Boss sewing machine. Material guides make great accessories if you're dealing with curved or long edge stitching.
As you are stitching the material, the guide gently aligns the material in place so you can get even stitching throughout the entire project.
The material guide is another one of our accessories that we made easy to install. You'll need 3 things to install your material guide on your machine: the material guide itself, a mounting bolt, and the 3/16 Allen wrench that comes in your Tippmann toolbox. The first step in installing your material guide on your machine is to find the mounting bolt threads located on the front side of the machine on the bottom of the shuttle housing.
Now that you have found where the mounting bolt threads are, gently lay your machine down face up. Align your material guide grooves with the grooves on the casting. Then place your bolt into position, tighten by hand. Snug up the bolt tightly with a 3/16 Allen wrench. And then check to make sure your material guide is fixed in place.
Once the material guide is attached to your machine, set your machine back up and you are ready to go. Make sure your material guide can pivot correctly by moving the material guide back and forth on its pivot point. Check to make sure you can adjust your depth by untightening the thumb screw and sliding it back and forth accordingly. When not in use, just kick the material guide down and out of your way. If you remove the material guide, make sure to take the bolt out as well, as it can interfere with the rotation of your shuttle. Easy as that, your material guide is installed and you're ready to guide your projects to success. For more information on our products, please visit our website or follow us on Instagram or Twitter. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.